In this tutorial, we'll show you how to integrate a WishList member with Infusionsoft. So to get started, head over to Setup, Integrations, and then under Payment Provider, select Infusionsoft, and you'll see a screen similar to this. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to configure the API so that the two systems can talk to each other. To do that, hit the Configure button here, and you'll see that you need an app name and an encrypted key. Now the app name you probably already know. This is the name that, or the URL that you log into. So whatever your app name is, .infusionsoft.com, you'll see that, or you'll be using that to log in. So you put that in here, and then we need to get the encrypted key. So to get that, we'll head over, go ahead and log into Infusionsoft, and then up in your nav, head on over to Admin and then Settings. And once this loads, then go to Application. And then down at the bottom, you'll see this API section and you'll see your encrypted key. So just go ahead and copy your encrypted key from there. Head back over to WishList member and drop that into the encrypted key box and then hit Save and Close. And that will then integrate the API, the two APIs together so that they can talk to one another. You'll see this API status say checking, and then if it's connected, it'll say connected. If there's some sort of issue, it'll tell you that there's an error and it was unable to, and you can sort of troubleshoot from there. Okay, so that's the first thing, just to get the two systems talking to one another. Then the next thing is whenever you create a new product, you need to tie it using the SKU from from WishList member to that particular product. So what we'll do is we'll go over to products, and whatever membership level you want to create a new product for, just go ahead and copy that SKU. So we'll copy this SKU, and then we'll go back over to Infusionsoft, and we'll go up into our nav, we'll go to e-commerce, and we'll go to products. And here we'll hit Add New Product, and you can give it a product name and a type. Now I have a demo product here. I'll just sort of open up here. But once you hit Create New Product and put in the name and everything, then this is the page you'll see. Go ahead and drop the SKU in here into the SKU box. And then the rest of this, you can sort of set how you want the price, etc. The one big one in here is the subscription plans. If you're doing an ongoing membership, you'll definitely want to set this up and set up your billing cycles and so forth. Once you're done, go ahead and hit save on that product, and that product will all be set up. It has the membership level SKU, so whenever someone purchases that product, they will be added to that particular level. They'll be redirected to the correct registration page and all that sort of thing. So that is tying the project together. And then the last thing that you need to do is set up the order form so that the two things can talk back and forth just a little bit more. Okay, so in order to do that, go to, again, our navigation, e-commerce, and we'll go to e-commerce setup. And then we will go to order forms. And here you can, again, create a new order form. You can give this sort of whatever name you want. So we'll do my form 2. And hit save, and that will create a new order form here. Now this is where you add the product. So the product that you just created, you'll go ahead and type that in here. So I believe it was demo was the name of the product. So there's our product. We'll hit add product. So now that product is tied to this order form. So when someone purchases through this order form, they'll receive that product, and then we tied the product to the membership level, etc. So we're kind of tying multiple things here. The next thing you need to do then is go to thank you page, and we need to set thank you page to web address because we need to pass information when a purchase is made back and forth. So where do we get this web address? Well, we come back over to WishList member, we go back to settings, and we copy this order form web page URL. So we'll copy that link, and then we'll paste that into the box provided here. And when we will check this box, make sure and check this box and then hit save. And that will save your order form. And then now you will have this link here that you can copy. And this is the link that you will tie into your button on your sales page or your link to purchase or whatever. So this is your actual purchase link, which is the order form, which has the product added, which is tied to the membership level. So that's sort of the chain of how everything works together. So again, that's pretty much set up at this point. Now, you may want to use legacy order forms. If you prefer to use legacy order forms, you'll see under the e-commerce, this legacy option right here, just select legacy order forms. And it's a very, very similar setup. So we'll hit add a legacy order form. You can give the form a name. So we'll just say demo like this. And then you'll scroll down to the bottom here. And again, you will see the thank you page settings. And you will see the same options. So that web page URL from WishList member, again, copy that, copy the link address here, paste that in here, and then make sure and check this button here and hit save. And once you hit save and actually save this, let's just go ahead and look at a form that already exists here. You will see a link here now that you can copy. So you copy this link and that is your purchase link. Okay, so with legacy order forms, you just create them this way and then you get this link. Here with the shopping cart forms, we sort of already showed that. And those two links, whichever route you decide to go, whether it's the shopping cart order form or the legacy order form, that's the link that you need to hook up to your button and put in your sales page and so forth. So that is integrating WishList member with Infusionsoft.